reinventing the gambling experience. Uniswap and PancakeSwap. This looks good, huh?
How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Over the last week, I've actually been in a lot.
Okay, you can't see it because I've gone on the wrong screen. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Can you see that? Yeah. Let's try that again. So this is it. Reinventing the gambling experience. The casino world is about to change forever. We're replacing centralized ownership with open source ecosystem of players, builders, and bankrollers. Join us to be the house, because Ridotto house always wins. The token is RDT, and it's on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and CoinStore. And CoinStore is. Bit laggy. How's this? Let's have a look at the white paper. Oh, what is this? The gambling industry is considered to be the most vibrant industry in the world, with 26% of the global population engaged in gambling. %50 lotteries, less than 50% slots, less than 60% punko. Cross-chain bankroll. I like the website. What is the tokenomics? Token sales, the teams take 10%, advisors 5%. The DAO takes 70%. That's good. 7,200 holders, 110,000 members. Right, let's have a look at this. First things first. Go back to charts. Let me try and find it. Well, this is always a problem when you can't find the charts. RDT. There it is, Ridotto. See that? RDT. So which chart do you use? Have a look at all of them. Okay, I'll tell you which one to use in a second. This is the ETH chart. ETH chart, why are they different? This is the ETH chart in USD. This is the ETH chart in ETH on Uniswap. This is the BNB chart in USD, and this is the BNB chart. And this is wrapped ETH. And get rid of that. Right, let's have a look at the volume. 18 million. Nope. There's a lot of volume on Uniswap right now. That's the one. Most of the volume is coming here on Uniswap against ETH. That's where the most of the volume is coming. So we had a launch. All-time high 2021. All-time low. Okay, so look, this is something interesting. So it actually launched in 21. Is that different? Is that the same? Yeah, this is it. $499. These are the wrong figures. Okay, because that's in ETH. 21, that's correct. 21. 21, right. 21, that's correct. That's not. October. Right, so we get rid of these BNB charts. So the two charts that I'm using right now is the one versus ETH and the one versus USD. The one on the ETH has more volume. The one on the USD has less volume. Let me have a look. Alright, I'll probably forget the ETH one for now. Just go with the USD one. So from the all-time low, let me just check to see if that's the correct all-time low. $9,967. It's not correct. That's the all-time low. And that's the all-time high is 157. That's the all-time high. Okay, so good. This is good. Last week we've had a big push up. The bullish reversal off the 236. The 236 is holding a support right now. Time frame back into the 50. That's good. We're back at the yearly close. Okay. Right. Let me have a look at the targets. Extended 109x. And this is a good sign. The point of control, price is trading above the point of control. No. It's value area low. Value area high. It's a little bit of trapped liquidity here. I think what you want I think we're into resistance right now, but I think it's a potentially a good long-term play. Kind of what you want to for the entry is basically back here in this point of control. You want to be interested in this. That's your trade. And actually, an extension could go all the way up to there, potentially, if it extends. And that's looking at a risk 1 to 505 ratio. Risk to reward. Yeah, you definitely want to see a pullback now. Like, I don't want to, you wouldn't just buy that because you're buying it into resistance. There's two types of resistance now. There's the 382 and higher time frame, and there's the local range value area high. So even though we had quite a bullish week with some increase in volume, you'd still be patient, because ideally you'd want to pull back. You'd want to catch it back on. I want to back test down here. Be good. Then you can have your entry and you have your invalidation underneath these lows, and then that would be nice. That would be a really nice trade to have. And then you also have like a potentially, if it goes up, like a golden pocket back into the point of control. That's kind of what I'm thinking for a trade. So we're not there yet. I think what you're going to do now, the best way to play this is set an alert. Support on POC. And just wait. Wait for the price to come back now. And once it comes back, as long as you get some kind of reaction off the point of control and you're seeing the price is holding, then you could probably enter, or you're just going to have to look higher. You look higher, but that'll be the trade. I think that'll be the trade. If it comes, it comes, and if it doesn't come, it doesn't come. You have major resistance in the golden pocket area, and that is about a 3x above us. So you're already going up 3x, you're already into major resistance. So that's the only kind of like problem. Actually, it's a big problem. Yeah, about 3x. So you'd have to take profit. You'd have to take kind of significant profit there. And then let the rest run and see what happens. That's kind of what I'm thinking. What else can I see? Does I see anything else? Maybe let me try again. Relative resistance, what you kind of what you want. You need that to kind of like you did here. That's what you want. something like that. You go lower and see. Yeah, you just want a little back test now. Potentially just back testing that. And I think this launch price is probably going to be a key level as well. You kind of want that to be flipped into support. It's a good place. It's a good place right now to accumulate. And keep an eye on it. It's interesting, isn't it? Yeah, there's something going on here. Not sure what it is. Yes. Right, I think that's the trade. If it comes down, that'll be a good entry. And see what happens, because you kind of want this point of control to be back tested now that we've kind of cleared it once more. You kind of want the resistance. You want people to take their profit, and you want to form support for a continuation. That's kind of what I'm imagining with the price. And if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I've set an alert. It is a good place to accumulate. And I can see on the higher time frame that we've confirmed bullish market structure. I'll show you. So basically, as the price is going down, we're making lower highs. Lower highs. And this is the first higher high. This is lower lows. So potentially this is a higher low. So this is the all-time low, which is a lower low. This is a lower high. That's your higher high. Potentially what we're experiencing here now is the formation of a higher low, and confirmation will be a higher high, will be to take out that high, and you have another higher high. Then you have confirmation, which is bullish market structure on the weekly time frame. That's what you want to see. And when I do a fib pool, so we've come into the 50%. We just need this to hold now, and so potentially it could range here. I mean, the golden pocket would have been a better level to come back to, but it hasn't come back there, so we have to see. This ideally we need to hold a little. That would probably be something to a possibility as well. Right, I think that's it for this token. I think it's looking quite good, and I hope I get my entry.